Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to do green screen on Alight Motion. Using the green screen effect on Alight Motion, also known as chroma keying, is a great way to superimpose videos or images into virtual backgrounds. So here is how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open the Alight Motion application. Make sure that you're signed into your account, and once you are, go ahead and open up a project or simply create a new project. Here I'm just going to open up a new project to show it to you. Once you open up a project, go ahead and import a green screen video. Tap the plus button at the bottom right and select media, and then select your green screen video you'd like to edit. Now that you've added your green screen video clip, select the timeline for the green screen video and then tap on Effects. Click on Add Effect and select Chroma Key from the options inside Add Effect, or you can also search for chroma key with the help of the search box at the top right. Click on the Standard Setting button and now click the color right next to Key Color. Now tap on the color picker icon and simply drag the plus icon on your screen. As soon as you do that, you will be able to see that the green screen has now been removed. Now tap on the play button to play the video. As you can see that there is no more green screen effect on the video clip. Now you can go ahead and export your video like you normally do. That is how you can easily do green screen on Alight Motion. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also make sure to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.